Hey guys, listen to 2345 here, and today I'm going to tell you things you probably didn't know about the mall. So, I'll show you one. So you go to Mount Severe, you come over here in this cool thing, and you see this giant whale or old thing from a long time ago, and that's just creepy. Another thing is that, the new animal is over there in the corner. Let me, just get this. It's right here, the, new animal. It's the Arctic fox, but, it's right here above the cave. That's probably something else you didn't know about the mall. Another thing you didn't know was probably this llama in the corner from, it's actually like a long time ago, but it's still there from a long time ago. The llama. And that's another thing that you probably didn't know about the mall. So let's see if I can find more, and I'll show you. Okay, so I'm here in the Temple of Zeos, and another thing I found was this. There's like random Falling Phantom thing over here, where you can play the Falling Phantom game, but it has no button. Oh, it does right there, Falling Phantom. But what's cool is that it has all this, and I thought that was really cool. So let's move on. Okay, another thing you probably didn't know is that you can change the color of these flowers. Just by clicking one of them, you can change all the colors. I thought this was pretty cool how they added it, but it doesn't really mean anything, you know? Like, if only you could do that with every flower instead of just these. So I thought this was also pretty cool as well. Okay, another thing you probably didn't know, it is in the same place, but it's right here. It's called Snake. But this is the only place you can play this game. In the Lost and Lord Zeos, this is the only place you can play the game. So you just gotta use the arrows to catch the mice. And you can't touch the walls, or it's out of there. You don't really get a lot of gems from this game, but it's really cool. You can use your own snake for this game. What you do is, okay, hold on. That's not nice. Okay. So another thing is that when you get off, your snake is there, right there when you get off. Because I'm just gonna take it off here because I don't want it on here right now. Okay. That's something else. Okay, so thanks for watching, guys. Like, subscribe, and comment below. So yeah, like, subscribe, comment, and tell me what thing I missed and what other kind of video I should make. Okay, thanks. Peace.